Are we ready? More practice questions on direct square law. If you haven't watched my 4-part series broken up into 5 videos, if you have not seen my 4-part series broken up into 5 videos on the direct square law and inverse square law, go watch them so you can understand what I'm doing. But if you already know what direct square law is, cool, then you'll have a better understanding because you might be lost watching this video. Chest x-ray is performed at 72 inches SID using 10 MAS. If the SID is increased to 100 inches, what new MAS is required to maintain exposure? If you're ever stuck on not knowing, am I applying inverse square law or direct square law to a problem, if you see MAS, it is direct square law. This is how I set up my board. This is the formula. This is just saying you're doing direct square law, don't know, old, new, old. And then this is how I lay everything out. If you have another method in solving this problem, use that if that works best for you. I labeled everything that you would have to plug in, so old, new, old, and then you have the plugins even more in detail. So MAS number 1 will be here, distance number 2 here, distance number 1, MAS number 2, the answer. So this x-ray was done originally at 72 SID and 10 MAS. So original, this is so hard to do both. So original old MAS was 10. Our original distance was 72, and we are writing it twice because the formula calls it to be squared. Sorry, this is the old one. So it's squared. And then the new distance is at 100. And once again, we're writing it twice because distance is always squared. So now we're going to do 10 times 100 times 100, divided by 72, divided by 72. You're going to get a decimal for your answer. I'm just going to round down. So the answer is going to be 19. Stay tuned for more practice questions. I will be doing more on inverse square law and 50% rule. And we also learn more math. Rad exposure. You guys are afraid of physics. It's rad exposure that has all these formulas, but it's really not that bad. You just got to know when to plug it in and how. We learned about GONO. We learned about how to find penumbra, how to find your SOD. There's a few more coming along, but like, it's really easy. It really is. You just need to remember the formula. That's really the hard part.